The futures show not that much price change, although the Nasdaq is up a solid 70 points at this stage. David Nicholas joins me. David, big tech reports this week. Which stock, in your opinion, is the biggest AI winner?
Yeah, Stuart, no question. I think Microsoft is the big AI winner, mainly because of its ownership in OpenAI. Now, remember, OpenAI has produced ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, Whisper, Codex. These are huge AI programs. But what the street is looking for is, can Microsoft translate all of this spend on AI into sales for its Azure cloud business? I think Microsoft can do it. So I think this number could be pretty big, Stuart.
Would you consider buying Microsoft now at $427 a share, or is that taking too much of a flyer?
Yeah, look, I know it seems like the stock has done well this year. We are still putting Microsoft money to work in Microsoft. I think you can buy today. We've got about a $500 price target on the stock, Stuart.
Okay, which is the safest AI play?
Yeah, this is a good distinction. I think Apple is the safest AI play, and this really has to do with the spend. If you think of traditional AI as a big powerhouse, Apple's AI is less powerhouse and more personal. What Apple's doing is very different from a lot of other companies. They're taking AI at a personal level on your phone, so it doesn't rely on external servers, on using big NVIDIA chips. It's all about organizing your data on your phone through voice activation, through your photos and videos, so it's a much simpler approach to AI, but the costs are dramatically lower. So I think from a safe AI play, certainly Apple, Stuart.
What would you think would happen if Microsoft disappointed ever so slightly? Do you think it could take down the whole market?
Yeah, Stuart, I don't even want to think about it because, yes, there's a great rotation happening where we see investors. There's been a rout in tech stocks. The market is being held up, I think, single-handedly by Microsoft. If Microsoft misses, this thing is heading lower, and you're going to see this rotation into small caps, into internationals. This is the last thing, I think, the last hope for tech this week, Stuart.
Fascinating, isn't it? We've had this 3-minute conversation about stocks, and we haven't mentioned interest rates in the Federal Reserve. There's a switch. There's a real change for you. All right. Thanks very much for joining us, David. We'll see you again real soon. And we will be watching Microsoft really closely this afternoon.